Watch carefully. He built his own RV with only $100. This RV not only allows him to sleep inside, but also lets him go camping anywhere. He used wooden boards to build the frame of the vehicle and fixed the pillars with brackets and nuts. Then, he installed the chassis of the vehicle and connected the chain and the electric motor, giving the vehicle power. He measured the radius of the tires in advance and extended wooden blocks from the bottom on both sides and installed a steering kit in the middle. This way, he can not only control the direction of the vehicle, but also perform drifting actions. He chose track-type wheels at the rear and connected the electric control system to the vehicle and connected the converter and the throttle to the relay. He also considered the night situation and installed headlights on the vehicle. He covered the vehicle with wooden boards, cut out holes, and pulled out the steering kit and the electric control center. He took off the steering wheel from a toy car and used it to control the steering. He used metal pipes and plastic pipes to connect with each other and made a carriage and fixed it on the vehicle. He covered it with a layer of plastic cloth and also covered it with a layer of tent cloth. He hung backpacks for storing supplies on the metal pipes on both sides, and there was also a lot of space inside the carriage, which could store living supplies and equipment. Now, he just needs to turn the switch, and he can freely shuttle in the outdoors. He can use the electric control system at the front to freely control the power of the electric motor, and he can also use the light bulbs at night to illuminate. He laid a sleeping bag at the rear, placed kitchen utensils on both sides, and installed a small fan on the top. This way, he can enjoy delicious food in the forest. When night fell, he put a monitor, turned on the flashlight, and gave himself light. He played games for a while and ate some snacks. The next morning, he woke up and drove the RV home. If you like, please like and follow.